When placing 8 giant wheels on a pickup truck, can it move on water? First, install 4 large tires for the pickup truck. This makes the pickup truck more than 4 meters tall. Can be seen? Pickup trucks easily crush tanks underfoot. However, the power of the tank cannot be underestimated. So there was a tug of war between the tank and the pickup truck. Under the control of the experimenter, pickup trucks can pull boxes easily. Then the struggle officially began. I found that after both sides played for a while, the pickup truck began to lose power. Tanks pull pickup trucks up hills like this. It looks very relaxing. Thick smoke surrounded the pickup truck. It can be seen that the distance between the pickup truck and the tank is not large. Then increase the number of tires to 8, compared with the tires below. The pickup truck looks much smaller. Next, prepare for the water test. It's clear that the 8 tires have enhanced its grip on the road. Terrain adaptability also exceeded expectations, since it has strong off-road capabilities on land. What if it was done underwater? The moment it falls into the water, I expected the worst. Unexpectedly, driving underwater is not difficult at all. Not only was there no sinking as predicted, instead, it floats steadily on the water's surface. From this point of view, 8 giant tires, it can support a domestic pickup truck.